Hello, Mark Richards coming to you from inside Water Gardens Theater. We wanted to highlight this solar project. As you can see in the background, theaters use a lot of power. We all use a lot of power. The building owner came to us after doing a project on another theater in another state, and he was convinced that this could be a good idea here. Each state and each power company has its own rules around solar and its own power rates, and so we started breaking it down. The building owner here happens to be a CPA, so he was really good in specifically breaking it down. What he wanted to do is as he went from just leasing this building to owning it, to make this building perform for him. He wanted to find a way to make this building cost less. And we went about going through all the research, what the power rate schedule was, what the power company would allow us to do on this roof, what his roof would tolerate. It's a long list of evaluation that we go through. And we settled on filling his roof with solar. But this will be a quick return on investment for the building owner, and very unique in its dual tilt design on the roof. It's a new innovation. We're now facing multiple directions instead of just one direction on the roof. It's a ballasted system. We used some of the best product on the market so that we could put the most watts on the roof. SunPower. This is a SunPower project, and we're excited to highlight SunPower 360s. We have 168.5 kilowatts on the roof. And we'll be powering day in and day out and satisfying the theater's needs. Excited to show you more about the project and to show you some of the flyovers. So as you look at refinancing your building, take a look at a SBA 504 green loan, and that'll allow you additional dollars in the evaluation of your building so you can do other energy efficiencies and put solar on your roof. This is a fantastic project because we're going to offset all of his energy usage on this building.